I am a girl who will be seen. I will train, play, think, score. I will not be invisible. I am me. I am a girl. I will not be second class, relegated to late night TV shows. Not talked about in preference of another gender. I will be seen. I will not be invisible. I will play. I will be a role model to my younger self. I will fight like a dragon, the Red Dragon of Wales. Draig goch Cymru. I am a girl. I am the future. I am football.